Hello everyone, myself Pooja H, studying in B.Ed first semester, Keli Society's College of Education, Vidyanagar, Hubballi. Now I am going to present a seminar on the topic of print media in education system. First, print media. Meaning of print media is one of the oldest forms of instructional media that being used in the classroom are materials used to inform, instruct and motivate learners. It is the one of the oldest form of instructional media which gives us information and also instruct and motivate learners. Next, we know about definition of print media. Print media is one of the oldest and basic form of mass communication. It includes newspaper, magazine, book. It is one of the oldest media that is which gives a basic forms of mass communication like newspaper, magazine, book. Let's see what are the print media that being used in nowadays. First one is books or textbook. Second one is newspaper. Next, newsletters, magazine, handout. Let's go through one by one. Books or textbook. It is the oldest form and common form of print media used by student. It is one of the oldest and common for all the peoples who in being studying students, also learners and peoples also can read the textbook. Function of book: the student gain the lot of knowledge earned by the those who came before. We can see that from in old generation also we go through books and they are read out by and also they learn by only through the books. It is used as a teaching aid. It provides a entertainment. It also gives a entertainment like comic pictures and also some puzzle games in textbook. Newspaper are popular form of print media. It is published daily or weekly and it covers a variety of topics from local and international news. It is a one of the popular print media which gives us the information about local, national, international, and also we get the news from this media. Functions of newspaper: as information providers, it provides the information to students about various national and international events and issues. It gives and or it provides the information to the students by various news like national. It provides the information about various uh, various issues or events from the national to international level. As opinion builder, through its editorials and comment sections, students are helped to express their own opinions as well as uh, from this students can express their own opinions towards the society and also gives the information to the society and all. As a advertising vehicle in promoting goods and service, it main helpful for advertising, like gives a advertisement for goods and service, for exchange purpose and all. For example, newspapers are the Hindu, uh, uh, the Hindu and the Indian Express and etc. like that. Magazine: print materials that provides information in various fields, usually comes periodically, either weekly, monthly, quarterly or annually. It is magazine is act like an monthly period print media. It gives total 1 month of full news in the, it includes 1 month of information in that, and also helps for the competitive students to know about a monthly what is going on, and also current affairs from its also. It gives a main advantage for a competitive readers. It gives like information, current affairs also. Provides a function of magazine, provides information, provides supplementary information to what is being given by books and other print materials, provides entertainment, provides entertaining content where students can solve puzzles or answer riddles. Facilities advertising also functions to market goods and service. Uh, Functions like it provides a supplementary information what is being given by books and other print materials, and also it provides entertainment like solving the puzzling games, and also certain comic stories and all. And also it facilitates for the function to marketing goods and service. How to design print materials. Print materials must be designed well to promote learning and better appreciation of what is presented. Uh, we have to design a print media like we should be appreciated by the people and students and who all read the print materials, and it includes some topics to be more important. We should have to give more importance to following. One is heading, writing style, page layout, type style, visuals, highlighting. We have to give heading, and also we should have to maintain writing style, and we have to put a page layout and style or mechanism. We have to different type of mechanism we have to involve in that, and also visuals, articles or images and all. And also we have to highlight some important topics and all. Advantage of print media. Print media can easily be transported and can be brought and placed anywhere you go. It is one of the best media to transport and carry to anywhere we can go, and also we can while we traveling we can read a newspaper, magazine and all. From this we can use our time by reading this all, and also we get information from this and all. Print media can be produced through the use of computer and or handwriting. It is produced by through the use of computer or handwriting. We get information, and we get information about the computer, and also how to make a news, and we get the knowledge to how to we can make a sentence which should convey the people by reading this print media. Print media is not expensive to generate, especially if it is not done in color. It is not too expensive to buy, or it is also not too expensive to generate it. And also if it is color also, we can't get more expensive to make it or to buy it. Print media is the most commonly used media most students are familiar with. Print media, it is one of the most commonly used media, because we can see that in our home daily we get newspaper, monthly we get magazines, and from this we can read daily newspaper. We get information about national, international, and also we day by day we can get the information. And also who are preparing for competitive exams, they update it to the day by day by reading the newspaper, magazine and all. So these are the advantage of print media. Let's see the disadvantage of print media. Students fail to see the importance of this media because of its lack of sound and animation. It is sometimes it fails to fails to give more importance to the students because lack of because it not contains sound effects or animation or videos like that, so students not involve them in reading this all. They involve by watching the visuals or videos like so it is one of the disadvantage. Print media can only convey verbal language, and therefore it does not necessarily elect response from the reader. Sometimes it not convey to the people, so that it does not get attention towards it from the people. Print media needs time to prepare and to update. It is not very easy to update a book. It also takes some time to update it. So from this we can't get today's news. Uh, so because of time delay to ready the newspaper, magazine and all, we get the today's information in tomorrow's newspaper. So like this it takes some time to update book or information to the newspaper or magazine or books. So this from this I want to conclude my seminar. Thank you.